Hi, I'm Dave McGregor, and I'm here today to walk you through the assembly of your new Calypso Height Adjustable desk. We first recommend that you use 2 people to lift anything heavy. Second, go through all the components and ensure all the parts are there.
Now that we have the Calypso outside of the box and ready to unwrap, we'll carefully unstrap and unwrap all the pieces from this carton. Step 1, we're going to take part number 1, our folding frame, and flip it up onto its back. Very carefully, we're going to fold the legs out. Step 2, we're going to take part 3 and install part 3 into the side. Step 3, we are now going to anchor part 3 to the folding frame. Step 4, repeat for this. We'll now move to step 5, which is tightening the swing arm bolts. Step 6, we're going to install our leg foot onto the legs. Repeat this step for the other side. Step 7, adjust the frame to fit your size top. First, loosen one side of the bolts. After that, remove your wires and untie the wires so they can extend out. Then simply slide the frame out to your desired top size. Now tighten this side and repeat for the other side. Step 9, and where we're going to mount the Calypso to the work surface. You'll notice I've put the 48-inch work surface underneath the Calypso. Since this is a 48-inch top, we do not need to adjust the frame. Now you can go ahead and equally space your base to all your corners and to your top, and then go ahead and screw in the top. Step 10, install keypad. The keypad can be installed on the left or right side of the work surface. Step 11, we're going to now plug in our power cord into the controller. Next step will be to tidy up our wires so they don't fall down when the desk is flipped over. One last step is to check all your bolts before you rotate the desk onto its feet.
We'll now walk through the features of the keypad. This keypad comes with a lockout feature that after 30 seconds, it turns off the keypad and saves power. To turn the keypad back on, you need to either touch up or down, and then it activates the keypad again. Now you can use up to go up, down to go down. Once you're at a perfect height that you want to set it, you hold M1 or M2 for 5 seconds until you hear the beeping sound. Now M1 is saved to that optimal height. If you experience any problems with your new Calypso Height Adjustable, please refer to the quick guide that is included in your assembly instructions. If these problems persist, please contact our customer service team Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. till 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or send us an email.